So whenever the red line is up, that means the whole trend is downwards. And whenever the green line is up, that means the whole trend is upwards. So now what you have to do is you have to let me clear up this thing. Okay, now you have to decide if you want to take the entry or not. For taking the entry, the rule number one is this green line should be touching at least 10 points. That is, you on the left side you can see this is 40, this is 20, and 10 is somewhere here. Okay, so for that you can add a small a horizontal line at this point, say 9 point, this is 10.5, so let's add at 9.9. So you see this purple horizontal line. So this is the 10-point line. So whenever you see this green line is coming down and down, here it touches. So this is where you have to take entry. Now let me highlight this with a vertical line. So this is your entry point. This is where you have to take the entry. Okay, so this you have to take entry in this candle, whatever the high price is. Let's see, the high price is 1474. So let's say you have taken the entry in this candle at the highest price, that is 1474 Santoshis. Now, as you have taken the entry, now you have to decide at what point you are going to exit the market. So for that, there are two options. Either exit at your predefined profit margin goal. Let's say my goal is like 2.5% for each trade. Like so, if you want to go with that, once you buy here at the high price, that is 1474 into 2.5. This is your target will be 1510. That is 1510 is your target price of let's say your goal that you want to close your trade whenever this price is hit. So either you can set that, or you can do what you can do is for exit, you need to make sure this green line goes up again and touches this 20 point mark. This is where you have to exit. Okay, so let me repeat it. Entry rule number one is when this green line hits the purple line and goes is equal to 10 point or less than 10 point, this is your entry. Once you enter here, now you have to decide at what point you are going to exit. So exit points are clear. The first one is sell at your predefined goal, that is 2.5%. Set your sell order at 2.5%. Or the second option is sell when this green line hits this 20 point mark. And remember, this is in intraday, and that is we are seeing this on 5-minute or 15-minute chart. You have to quickly do this, and you have to this is this will be very quick trade. So you buy when this hit at 20, you sell at when the green line hits 20. It's simple. So if you do this, you can do multiple number of trades. I will show in few minutes. Like in this single coin, you will be able to see some more opportunities. Okay, so the entry rules are simple. When this green line hits the 10 point mark, you buy in, and you exit when it hits 20 or at 2.5%. It depends on you. Or if you want to hold a bit, now you can see if you have hold it for another half an hour or 1 hour, you could have easily made nearly 20% profit. The trend it started from 10 and it went up to 46. This is so you could have made nearly 22% profit. Here you can see the price was 1474, and here it went up to 1830. That means nearly 23% or 24%. So this is the strategy that I use for short-term tradings, for mid-term trading, and for long-term trading. So sorry, excuse me. And so this is what I'm showing you is for intraday. That is for quick trading. Let's say you want to do only 1 or 2 trades in a day, then you can use this. Take entry at plus DI. That means the green line hits the 10-point mark. Take the entry and exit when it hits 20-point mark, or exit when with your predefined goal, that is 2.5% or 2% or 3%, whatever you decide. So normally I go with only 2 or 2.5%. So I can do multiple trades throughout the day. So this is the strategy. This is the overview of the strategy. This is how we enter and how we exit. And also I want to mention for mid-term trading, that is for let's say for a day or two, my strategy will be the same, but the entry and exit will be a little bit different. Entry, again, the entry will be same. Let's say I want to trade for a day or two, and I buy I buy at the same point. That is, whenever the green line touches the 10-point mark, I buy in. But if I am holding for a day or two, then my profit target will be whenever this green line is going to touch the 40-point mark or above 40. So this is where I sell. If I am doing the trade for a day or 2 or 3 days like this, if I'm holding it for this. So this is still, again, this was a very quick price action, and it went up very quickly. So using this strategy, you can make multiple number of trades. You can consistently trade, and you have to believe in the system until and unless you don't want to go in the wrong direction, because you have to believe in the system, then only you will get successful. So this is this system I follow for a very long time now, and has given me a lot of results. And every time I use this, I feel like it's definitely going to make me win again. So you have to believe in the system, and you have to fearlessly do trading, because if you have fear, and if you don't follow the strategy properly, then definitely you're going to lose. So thank you, guys. I see you in the next video, where we are going to discuss about how to set up our daily goals, and how we are going to start trading. I see you in the next video, and thank you for watching those.